Good morning to all the people around the world. I'm Sandhya here. Today I would like to share something about energy of attachment. Now, let's talk about the energy of attachment. Attachment is fixing yourself to someone or something and putting all your energy towards thinking about how much you care for them and they for you. Too much attachment disturbs your mind. It is love, but you have discipline it. Being too attached to someone or something will disturb your emotional self. It can lead into depression and you might form a habit of clinging to someone for emotional support. Attachment also allows you to fulfill your duty towards your loved ones, but be careful. Attachment can also drain you emotionally, especially if we do not understand it. There is always a kind of separation, whether temporary or permanent in our life. We have to understand what kind of attachment we have. For example, because of your certain attachment, especially to family, we have to keep our job whether we like it or not. Understand that attachment sometimes means having to see to family needs and commitment to giving care to those around us. So, careful with the energy of attachment. Now, let's talk about what we need to do and don't and practice. Do. Balance attachment with an understanding mind. Maintain personal space for yourself. When you have a problem, identify it. Go deeper to understand it and realize that you should not fear and you must control your expectation in everything. Now let's talk about don't. Don't have too much attachment where it brings you problems. Be observant and careful in every relationship around us and watch what you say or do to form a break and attachment. Now let's talk about practice. Learn to understand your emotional mind by repeating the prayers I am love within. I am love within. I am love within. As usual before going to sleep and when you wake up also. Practice this repetition to understand what you have attached yourself to. Detach yourself from anything that is unnecessary in your life, be it people or things also. Subscribe this channel and click the bell button for more topics about subconscious mind and universe. Thank you.